Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing the CAMBOFOTO 33 inches magic arm with desk lamp. CAMBOFOTO sent this to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Inside the box, here's an action camera adapter, a phone holder with a cold shoe mount, a user's guide, and the main 33 inches articulating magic arm with the desk lamp attached. Simple, organized, and ready to set up right away. The arm is made from aluminum alloy, so it's lightweight but strong. It supports up to 2.2 pounds, which is more than enough for the Pocket 3, smartphones, lights, or small mics. That long reach is the start of the show. It gives you plenty of room for top-down unboxing, overhead desk shots, and smooth floating B-roll angles with the Pocket 3. With the triple 360 ball joints, you get 3 fully adjustable ball joints, so you can position your camera at any angle. The clamp grips tight and doesn't slide. Once it's locked in, stays put even when the arm is fully extended. The phone holder works with my S25 and S26 Ultra, and the cold shoe lets you mount a mic or small light on top. This mount has become one of my main setup for the DJI Pocket 3. The Pocket 3 stays rock solid on the arm. I can swing it into position for smooth product B-roll without needing a tripod on the table. This is where the arm really shines. The long reach lets me position the Pocket 3 perfectly above the table for clean top-down shots, no tripod legs in the frame, and there's no noticeable shadows. When I switch to my S25 and S26 Ultra, the arm still holds strong. It is great for POVs, overhead shots, or hands-on demos. And when I'm done filming, I can just swing the arm out of the way, and it keeps my desk clean and ready for the next setup. For the cons, I only have 2 things. The phone holder can feel tight with thicker cases. Second, because the arm is long, desk vibration can show up if you bump the table. But honestly, for the price, these are just minor issues. Overall, the CAMBOFOTO 33-inch magic arm is fantastic, affordable mount for creators, and it's become one of my main setup for the DJI Pocket 3, especially for B-roll, top-down shots, and unboxings. If you film product reviews, tutorials, or overhead content with your lightweight camera or smartphone, this mount is absolutely worth it. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.